The guy Chef Garces here. Welcome to another essential, one of my favorite salsas, Salsa Verde. You know, verde means green, so you have a lot of green veggies in here. You can do this fresh, or you could do it charred. I'm gonna do a fresh style. I like this one, it's a little more vibrant. So I just have some water going here. I'm gonna put my tomatillos right in there. We have 2 jalapenos. I'm gonna drop right in as well. 4 garlic cloves, 1 large Spanish onion, boom, 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 right in, and a bunch of scallions, right in. Blanch these for about 1.5 to 2 minutes, and then we'll strain them. It's just really just a quick blanch, take some of the bitterness off. It really should feel pretty fresh. I'm gonna add my olive oil, and we're gonna add our cilantro right in here. See this nice, vibrant green color. Kind of want to let this cool down, have it a little more at room temp. Let's give it a shot. Super vibrant. Get your salsa verde on, guys.